Now available at McCarthy Cars is a 09 Reg Nissan X-Trail 2.0 DCI Turbo Diesel Aventura Explorer. The vehicle is in metallic purple finish with a 17-inch of Nissan alloy wheels. It's got a privacy glass. At the back, it's got rear view camera, which I'm going to demonstrate in a minute once we get into the car. It's got a massive boot, a luggage cover, and split folding rear seats. The front view of the vehicle is got front Fox headlamp washers, and it is with a bison on headlights. Before we get in, just to mention, it's got keyless entry. The interior of the vehicle is full black leather with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and a center armrest. For your safety, it's got front and side airbags. On the door, it's got the electric windows, mirrors, and it's got 40 mirrors also. So it's got twin both driver and passenger side seats. They are electric. It's got ESP traction control and the headlamp washers button. So basically there is no need for the key. Once you get into the car, you can just start it up. It's got panoramic roof. It's fixed. Oh, no, it's not fixed. It's electric panoramic roof. Then it's got center armrest with some storage under it, the automatic gearbox. Then it's got front heated seats. This one is 4x4 by the way, so you choose the driving mode. It's 4WD. And then it's got satellite navigation.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Bluetooth connectivity, as it is mentioned. 6 CD changer. It reads MP3s as well. It's got reversing camera, as I said before. This is how it looks like. Multifunctional steering wheel with the cruise control on the right hand side. The voice command on the left hand
Please say a
side.
command after the tone.
Cancel.
Detour. Please say a distance.
Cancel. Let's see if there is a command.
Please repeat.
No.
Please say a command after the tone.
Okay. Then it's got air conditioning with a climate control. And the vehicle is done only 77,000 miles. So this was a quick overview of the Nissan X-Trail. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.